In front of me is INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. First, launch Settings and scroll to click on this section called Privacy. Then select App Lock and hit Next to tap on Change Password Type and decide which one you want to use to unlock your apps: Pattern, Numeric password, or Alphanumeric password. After deciding, create your app lock login method and then repeat it to confirm it. Now hit Next at the bottom right corner. Following that, click on those two switches next to Fingerprint and Face unlock to allow unlocking your apps using any of those features, and then tap on Question at the top. You can tap on Custom, then choose Question Description to create it and hit Confirm. Following that, answer it and choose Confirm again, or tap on Question and pick one of those. Remember to answer it correctly. When you're finished with that portion, select Next and hit Confirm. Now tap on Link to your INFINIX account. If you don't want to do that, enter your privacy password after tapping on the Back button. Finally, to lock any app, use gray switcher next to it. So when I go back and try to open mine, I can see that pattern is required. Now, if you want to, you can go back into App Lock section, enter it, and disable it from any app by tapping on the same, now green switcher. To disable App Lock fully on your smartphone, use this icon over here at the top right corner and tap on green switcher next to App Lock feature. Then hit Turn Off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!